Pain treatments have evolved over the years, and Dr. Jeffrey Glover of Glover Chiropractic has remained on the cutting edge with laser therapy. According to the National Institutes of Health, lasers can be used for many medical purposes. Because the laser beam is so small and precise, it allows doctors to safely treat tissue without injuring the surrounding area. Dr. Glover explains how laser therapy can alleviate pain, reduce inflammation, and accelerate recovery from a wide range of acute and chronic clinical conditions.
The laser that we have is actually, it's called a light cure laser. It's LCT 1000 is the actual name of it. It works on a variety of conditions, from rotator cuffs to elbows to knees to ankles, pretty much any type of soft tissue injury. We can heal a rotator cuff that's sprained or strained or even slightly tore in just a few treatments. It also helps golfers, basically golfer's elbow, tennis elbow, any type of repetitive stress injury. What happens is those soft tissues get inflamed, and because we're constantly using our hands, they never get the chance to rest and relax. And because there's not that good of a blood supply, then they don't heal. Well, the laser will actually increase the oxygen delivery to those tissues and heal them in a couple treatments. Whereas before, it might take several months to heal, or also people will go through painful injections of steroids to try to calm it down and knock out inflammation. Some of the other treatments the laser can help with is meniscus injuries. A lot of people thought that with meniscus injuries you just had to go straight in for surgery. Well, you don't. There's been several people we've actually kept out of surgery with torn meniscus. The lateral third of the meniscus is the only part that has any blood supply whatsoever. So if there's a tear anywhere else in there, really the only two options you have is pretty much laser or surgery. And I'm all for keeping people out of surgery. Hip bursitis is another condition that really helps out with the laser. What happens with the hip bursitis is they'll get pinpoint pain right on their hip. A lot of times what people will say is they'll come in, they went to Disney trying to show their grandkids a good time that we're visiting, and they walked too much than more than they were used to, and now they're having very bad pain here where they can't walk. The laser in 1 to 2 treatments will most of the time take that away. So it knocks out all that inflammation, and it does it without painful injections.
You'll find contact information for Glover Chiropractic in Leesburg when you click the Laser Treatment Story Link icon on our homepage, yourhometownhealth.com.